If you're looking to create a launch plan using a project tool, but want a simple, no-fluff walkthrough, this quick guide is for you. I've tried all the most popular project management tools, and by the end of this video, not only will you have your launch plan set up, you'll also get access to an exclusive free trial of the software I personally recommend, available only for viewers of my channel. Let's dive straight in. The first step in creating a launch plan is setting up a new project workspace. Inside the software we'll be using, just click New Project or Create Board, name it something clear like Product Launch, May, and choose a template if available. If not, go with a blank board for full control. Next, define your phases or key milestones. Common phases for a launch plan include pre-launch, launch, and post-launch. Create these as either separate columns or groups depending on the tool you're using. This gives you a high-level view of what's coming. Under each phase, start adding tasks. For pre-launch, that could be things like finalize messaging, set up email list, or record launch video. Be specific. For each task, assign a due date and an owner. This turns your ideas into actual actions with accountability. Don't forget dependencies. If one task can't start until another is done, link them. Most project tools have a way to create task dependencies or subtasks. This helps avoid surprises and bottlenecks down the road. Once you've got your tasks laid out, switch to timeline or Gantt view. This visualizes your launch plan over time and lets you adjust dates easily by dragging and dropping. Look for overlaps or gaps and adjust so your team's workload stays balanced. Add tags or labels to group similar tasks like marketing, tech, or design. This lets you filter and prioritize fast when things get busy close to launch. Now, communication. Inside the software we're using, you can comment directly on tasks, tag team members, and even upload files. Keeping everything in one place means no digging through emails or Slack threads. Before wrapping up, invite your team. Set permissions, assign them to tasks, and schedule a quick onboarding call if needed. The clearer your plan, the smoother the execution. Here's the key takeaway. A strong launch plan isn't just about listing tasks. It's about organizing those tasks into clear, actionable phases, assigning responsibility, and tracking progress in one place. That's exactly what using a project tool lets you do efficiently. To recap, create a dedicated project, define your launch phases, break those into tasks with owners and deadlines, use Timeline View to visualize the plan, label and organize tasks for clarity, and centralize team communication inside the tool. If you want to follow along with the exact software I used, there's an exclusive free trial link in the description just for viewers of my channel. Highly recommend you check it out. It'll save you a ton of setup time. Thanks for watching. Now go launch with clarity.